two things that should be integrated in every STEM program: design thinking and the UN Sustainable Development Goals. If you combine those two, you've got a tremendous program, because there's so many problems to solve in the world.
AI is a tool to do that. How are we helping our students who might not have a disability, but considering maybe the area they're in, they're not performing too well?
Leaders have the intentional PD that they deserve. I think teachers get a lot of professional development, or more than we do, but I don't.
I am really surprised, though, at how quickly K-12 has adopted AI, and even more surprised at how resistant higher education has been to it. After all, neural networks were developed in the colleges of computer science.
The client, it is basically just a giant flowchart behind the scenes of deciding when do I need to switch tasks, when do I need to switch agents.